RZR XP 1000. Now this is the 4-seat. It is used obviously, but it is heavily accessorized. You cannot find a better deal than this. I mean, you got the LED right in the front, you got the LED pods, you got 4 of them, poly windshield with a wiper, a roof, full enclosure. Now the best part is with that, you have door storage on both sides. I mean, check this thing out. Now if we pan up, you will see that there is a rear view mirror and a MTX audio sound system. Now I do believe this rear view mirror does also have a backup camera that is also integrated with it. So it is a awesome package, awesome deal, awesome buggy. And it would be even more awesome if one of you guys came and took it home. So come check it out at Carns Equipment or give us a call at 814-765-5684.